Here comes the popcorn. Hi, I'm Joanne Chang. I am the pastry chef and co-owner of Flour Bakery and Myers & Chang. And today I'm going to be making sticky bun popcorn for my new book, Pastry Love. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually make the popcorn. We're going to pop about 3/4 of a cup. And then you're going to wait a couple of minutes. This is on high heat, and we're just going to wait as the heat builds, and eventually we'll start hearing some popping. I usually wait until like there's 5 or 6 seconds in between pops. Here comes the popcorn. Ooh, there's burnt stuff. We're gonna take all that burnt stuff out. Okay, so now we're gonna make this goo. So we start off with, back in the same pot, some butter and then some brown sugar. So we're just gonna mix these together until they're totally combined and the butter melts. So we add honey to make the goo extra sticky. We're going to go ahead and stir in the honey. And now we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. So it's gonna start to bubble up. So this part goes a little bit fast, and this is salt, cinnamon, and then that aforementioned baking soda. And you can see that it gets nice and foamy. And once it's all mixed in and it gets foamy, then I'm gonna pour in the popcorn and the nuts, and then immediately fold it all in. Okay, we're gonna dump this out onto a tray. So now I'm just gonna put this in the oven, which has been preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna leave this in for about 10 minutes. Here we go. This guy is done.